Welcome to Tech Money Minds. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating and often debated topic: will AI take over the world? Artificial intelligence has been making significant strides, and many wonder what the future holds for this revolutionary technology. In this video, we'll explore the possibilities and separate fact from fiction. So, let's get started. Segment 1: The Rise of AI. Artificial intelligence has come a long way since its inception. We've witnessed remarkable advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics. AI is already an integral part of our lives, from virtual assistants in our smartphones to cutting-edge medical diagnostics. But does this mean we should fear an AI takeover? Segment 2: The Benefits of AI. Before we delve into the concerns, let's acknowledge the numerous benefits AI brings to our society. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, boost productivity, and provide solutions to complex problems. It can assist in medical research, enabling faster drug discovery and personalized treatments. AI-driven automation can streamline manufacturing processes, making products more affordable and accessible. Additionally, AI could enhance education, help tackle climate change, and improve transportation systems, leading to safer and more efficient cities. Segment 3: The Concerns. Despite the promising potential, AI's rapid advancement has sparked legitimate concerns. One major worry is job displacement. As AI-driven automation becomes more prevalent, certain jobs may be at risk of being replaced by machines. Additionally, data privacy and security have become pressing issues, with AI's ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data. Ensuring the protection of sensitive information becomes a paramount concern. Narrator, voiceover. However, the most prominent fear when discussing AI is the idea of it becoming so advanced that it surpasses human intelligence, a concept known as artificial general intelligence, AGI, or superintelligence. The concern here is if AGI gains self-awareness and autonomy, it might outsmart human beings and potentially have different objectives than those programmed by its creators. Segment 4: AI's Impact on Society. Narrator, voiceover. The impact of AI on society depends on how we shape its development. It's crucial to consider the ethical implications and establish regulations that guide AI's deployment responsibly. Collaboration between governments, researchers, and technology companies is essential to ensure AI serves humanity's best interests. Segment 5: Debunking the AI Takeover myth. While discussions about AI taking over the world often make for exciting science fiction plots, experts agree that an AI takeover, as depicted in movies, is unlikely. AI lacks emotions, desires, and consciousness as humans possess. Its actions are solely based on data analysis and algorithms, without any inherent motivation to conquer or control. The real concern is not AI overthrowing humanity, but rather its unintended consequences, such as biased decision-making or perpetuating existing social inequalities if not properly managed. Conclusion. In conclusion, the idea of AI taking over the world in a malevolent manner is more fiction than reality. AI is a tool created by humans, and its potential lies in how we harness and regulate its capabilities. By adopting responsible AI practices and collaborating towards a common goal, we can embrace AI's potential and build a future that benefits all of humanity. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content like this. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed. Bye for now.